Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Install Tableau and a cleaned Excel workbook. Open Tableau and choose Microsoft Excel from Connect, then pick the workbook file. Make sure your sheet is a table or has consistent headers so Tableau maps fields correctly. Once done, drag a sheet into the data canvas to preview rows and column types. If Tableau misreads a header, adjust in Excel and refresh. This gets you straight into analysis without wasted back and forth. Next, configure how Tableau interprets your Excel data. In the Data pane, change data types, rename ambiguous fields, and hide columns you won't use. If combining sheets, choose relationships for flexible blending or joins when you need row-level merges. Visually inspect join results in the canvas. For performance, decide between a live connection for up-to-date data or an extract for speed. Create an extract and refresh schedule if needed. These steps shape reliable visualizations and avoid wrong aggregations. Finally, begin building. Drag dimensions to rows or filters and measures to columns, then assemble dashboards. Once finished, publish to Tableau server or export a packaged workbook. TWBX to include the Excel source. Make sure refresh schedules are set if you used extracts. If something breaks, first refresh the data source, then confirm Excel headers and data types match Tableau's fields, and if fields disappeared, enable Show Hidden Fields. These checks close the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.